Welcome to today's session where we'll delve into the innovative ways of using ChatGPT to strategize for a career transition. As we navigate through this lecture, we'll uncover how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT to receive tailored advice, identify necessary skills, and discover resources that align with your targeted professional field. When seeking advice on career transition, the specificity of your prompt is crucial. Let's say you are transitioning from education to data science. A vague prompt like "How do I switch careers?" is less effective than a detailed inquiry such as "What are the essential skills of transitioning from a teaching career to an entry-level data scientist role?" By being specific, you allow ChatGPT to provide a concentrated response that addresses your actual needs. Here is an example prompt. I am a teacher looking to transition into data science. What foundational skills should I focus on, and what resources could help me acquire these skills? ChatGPT's response: to transition into data science from teaching, focus on acquiring skills in programming like Python or R, statistics, data analysis, and machine learning. Resources include online courses from platforms like Coursera or edX, books like Data Science for Dummies, and practice datasets from Kaggle to apply what you learn. Once you have established a clear prompt, the next step is to extract the skills and resources from ChatGPT's response. Create a list such as programming skills, learn Python or R languages through platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp. Statistical knowledge. Enroll in statistics courses on Coursera or Khan Academy. Data analysis proficiency. Use Excel or Tableau for data visualization, available through LinkedIn Learning. Machine learning concepts. Take Andrew Ng's machine learning course on Coursera. Now, let's strategize. Your conversation with ChatGPT might progress to defining a timeline or setting achievable goals. For instance, write in prompt: based on the skills you have listed, can you help me draft a 6-month learning plan to gain these skills for a data science role? Now expect a structured plan from ChatGPT, which you can then refine to fit your personal schedule and learning pace. Remember that ChatGPT is an incredible asset for career transitions if engaged thoughtfully. Be specific in your queries, use the information to identify key skills and resources, and consult it frequently to refine your strategy. Embrace this AI as a part of your professional journey, and you'll find the path to your new career much clearer